CYN Stock Analysis Friday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So it's sitting at 8 cents. It's absolutely melting. As I'm observing CYN, I do see that the price just not in a great place as of like genuinely even me, like market cap of around 2M. It's all over the place. And even my previous drawings, I think that kind of is self-explanatory and explains a ton. I really began being bearish back in July, so that's like last year's summer. And then since then, the only thing that the price has done is actually just kept going down and down. By the way, if I look at CYN here, I mean, there's going to be a lot of speculation about it, some crazy news. We got some like 9 days ago or something like that, but unless there's like a big catalyst, there's no way that I'll touch this as of right now. And I'm obviously going to keep you updated for that catalyst. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.